Well, hi, boys and girls. Hi, boys and girls. How's it going? It's MotoMedic, and I'm back. Kinda, sorta, but right now, totally back. As of this very video, back. For this video. Let me take you for a journey. It's a nice day up here in Spokane. It's about 85 degrees, maybe? 84, 85 degrees. It's not too shabby. Speaking of abbeys, shabbies and abbeys, you all remember that thing back there. Say hi, Bubba. Yes. Say hi. Yeah. Abby's good. She got spayed 2 days ago, or 3 days ago, so she's just chilling out. And let's take a walk down into this area down here, shall we? Wait, dog's coming with us. You coming with us? You coming? Okay. About this time last year, I was moving my dad to Tennessee. And at about that same time, I had taken a bike into the shop to work on it. That was owned by a guy who that next couple of weeks had some rough times in his life. And over the last 6 months, apparently he's had some rough times in his life as well. Well, basically, let's go ahead and show you. So, yeah, kids, there you have it. It's official. The FZ600 is now mine. She belongs to me. I have been going through the thought process in my head for the last couple of months, kind of wondering what I'm going to do with this thing, because it really is a bike that, if you watch the previous videos, which I will put into the what do you call them, the little drop downs here. If you go back and you watch, you'll understand exactly what this bike meant to the previous owner and what it meant to that guy's father who, isn't with us anymore. My whole intent this entire time with this motorcycle was to make this thing perfect for the son. And unfortunately, I never got paid, and it was a process to just try and get phone calls received and messages returned and whatnot. Unfortunately, I wasn't really jazzed about getting the bike. I wasn't really like, yeah, this FC's mine. I get to totally have it. No, I was even, I'm like, well, the tank's worth X amount of dollars if I sell it. I had to go through the time, and it actually held me back from moving. It caused other dramas. It was a big mess. I was kind of like apprehensive about taking possession of the bike because I would want to ride it, but I don't feel right riding it, and what do I do with it, and all of this other stuff. I have an idea what I may end up doing with this motorcycle once it's done, but that's not to be determined yet. I have not decided what I'm going to do with it after I'm done with it, but I know I'm going to ride it, and I may even race it. But if I don't race it, I'm going to sell it, or I'll keep it. So there you go. You have no idea what I may or may not necessarily do or not do with this motorcycle when it's finished. All I know is that it will get finished. So that's kind of the message that I wanted to bring you guys today. I've already gone in and done quite a bit of work to the bike. That's why the only things that need to be done are brake lines. These brake lines are chewed. They're just destroyed. They're just old, They probably still hold it, but the insulation and stuff on the outside is cracked and gone. And I rebuilt the calipers, so we might as well put some fresh stuff together on the brakes. I'm gonna have to get, obviously I'll get an aftermarket fuel cap. If I could find an original Yamaha fuel cap and I can match it up with the same key, that would be rad, but I don't think that's gonna necessarily be feasible or possible. The fairings are kind of dinged up and there's some cracks, so I'm gonna be fixing some of this stuff. We'll fix some of this, and we'll do videos on that fix. The bike's been sitting a little while, so the wiring, everything's a little dusty right now, but Wiring's in good shape. I do need to find a seat. I actually found a seat at a car show in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, not far from here. About a month and a half ago at a thing called Coeur d'Alene. They were doing an auction, and it was a drag bike, an FZ600 drag bike, and the guy had a bunch of parts laying out. I couldn't find the owner. It was a long time before they even came to that bike, and unfortunately, I wasn't able to buy anything at that point in time anyway. So, not like I'm gonna go spending the money. But there was a couple of seats sitting there, and so if you have a seat, let me know in the comments. That way, I can maybe buy one off of you. I will totally buy one because I do need a front seat for this thing. So that's really all that needs to be done on this thing is brake lines and brake pads. It needs, because I've done the forks, we've already done the fork seals and all of that and everything. So it needs brake pads and brake lines. I need a carb kit. I need a seat. And then we can repair some plastics, and an air filter. So that's not a lot to get this thing going and rideable. So listen, guys, I really apologize. First of all, I really want to apologize for not doing a lot of videos. I am, like I said, the shop that I did all of these previous videos in is now closed. I'm not in business anymore. So right now I'm just working. If you look, you can see this Project 900's engine back here, the CB900's engine back here. I have work to do. There's a lot of video content still to make just on these two motorcycles alone. And now that I'm working and I've got some more steady income coming, and I've got some other goals that are going to be met soon, hopefully, the content will get more and more. The motorcycles will get built, and I'll be actually able to ride one of these damn things because I haven't been on a freaking motorcycle in what I feel like is forever. Thank you. Oh my God. So many new subscribers lately. This is so awesome. I want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to the channel. It's effing amazing, dude, that I've got this many subscribers to my channel. I didn't even think I would have that many people wanting to watch all of the stuff that I'm doing. The mechanic work isn't as much, I know that, but you can feel free to ask me questions, man. I'm quick. I get the notifications on my phone, and I'm quick to answer usually. I'll always answer unless I get just completely overwhelmed, but if it's a legit question, totally going to answer you. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, and this is your first time watching one of these things, click on the subscribe button wherever I stinking put it, and we'll see you next time. There will be a cool video that I'm planning. If you watched the last one, I'm going to put my leathers on somehow, and I'm going to ride something with two wheels, and I'm going to video it, but it's going to be early in the morning. I got to do it when everything's quiet. It's going to be badass. All right, stick around. Stuff's going to happen. Thank you again, subscribers. Hit it, and I'm out of here. Moto Medic. Peace.